I know it's a long journey and since 2012, ang tagal na from being classmate to become boyfriend, girlfriend, into living partner. Yun, sa kasi lahat ng tao dito, sa kung ano naging journey natin. And I know, lahat ng journey may end. And I hope na sa magiging bagong chapter, na sana makasama kita. And alam mo ba yung lyrics ng kanta ng Silent San Juan? Ibibigay ko ang lahat. Ulit yun. Maging pangarap, sasamahan kita kahit saan. And I know this moment was the most waited moment of every woman for their man. Kaya, Maricar o Haris Mia. Again, kung nanahigulog kita, Maricar o Haris Mia, will you marry me?
Thank you so much! Palakpakan naman natin ang ating Yoli Bella.